I am Juanita Ahia Kweku, and I'm going to be your instructor for Java programming lessons. To begin with, we'll do the installation of our JDK and set up our development environment for Java. Now, we'll visit the Oracle website to download our JDK, and then we'll do the installation with a file that we will download from there. So we'll go to www.oracle.com, and that should take us to the Oracle site. When we get there, we'll click on the products menu, and under the infrastructure section, we'll click on the link for Java. That will take us to the Java page. Once we are there, we'll scroll up the page. Then when we get to the bottom of it, we will find the download Java Now button. We'll click on that to take us to the page where we can find the downloadable files. So scroll up again. For the purposes of this lesson, I'll be focusing on the Windows operating system. So we'll click on the Windows link, and then I'll recommend that you download the .exe file or the .msi file. I'll be picking the .exe file. So you click on that, and that should begin the download for your JDK. Whilst we wait for it, we must also take note that for your programs to run successfully on the Windows platform, you need to add the installation path of your Java JDK to the system variable path, so that the operating system can recognize your Java programs when you run them. So wait for the download to complete, and then we'll go ahead with the installation. Okay, so once our download is done, we'll go to the location where the downloaded file is, and then double click to start the installation. So this should start the Java JDK installation. Continue with the steps. So follow the prompts till the installation is done. Okay, so our installation is completed. Now the next thing we'll do is to set the system variable to recognize the Java installation we have just done. Alright, so we'll go to the control panel, and then we'll click on system and security. We'll click on system again. That should open up the settings windows for us. Then we'll click on advanced system settings. It should open up the system properties dialog box. Here we'll click on the environment variables button. Another dialog box will open up with the title environment variables. Here we'll go to the system variables section, and then we'll click on the path variable. Once we click on that, you click on the edit button. Now we click on new because we want to add the new path for Java. So we'll go back to our File Explorer. We'll go to the drive C, and then we'll look for our Java installations. We'll go to Program Files, go to Java, then you open the JDK 17.0.1, then you open the bin folder, then you come to the address bar and copy the path. Then you go back to the edit environment variable window, and then we paste our new path. Click OK, click OK, click OK. Then we can close the settings window and the other windows that are showing. Now let's go back to the command prompt. We'll be using that to check whether our Java installation has been done successfully. So to check, you type Java space hyphen version. That's the command you use to check or verify your JDK installation. So press enter, and now we can see on our screen that our Java runtime environment is set up and we can work. Alright, so we'll exit the command prompt, and then we'll end it here for the setup. We'll come back again with the next lesson where we'll create our first Java application, compile, and then run. See you next time.